Air quality in the Flathead Valley is also taking a hit as the Sprague fire and the Gibraltar fire have been pushing smoke into the area. Air quality was moderate, but it jumped to very unhealthy yesterday. Light winds had the smoke pushed into the valley. It has now settled in and hasn't moved much at all. The Flathead City County Health Department says those who have health conditions should not participate in physical activity. In fact, you should stay inside. In fact, most people should when it's this bad because those microscopic particles can do some serious damage to your health. Wendy Jacobs tells us these conditions will probably be the same for the immediate future.
We've been now under a high pressure system since the smoke moved in like Monday night, I believe this kind of happened. So until we get some sort of weather to push, to change the conditions in the valley, and it would mean a big movement of air. We're sort of stuck under these conditions. So from what I've been reading and hearing, that is not supposed to happen, at least through the weekend.